Hi Foppers and welcome back to The Farmer Was Replaced, the farmer automation coding game. That is very fun. I think I do enjoy a bit of coding. So last time we did unlock watering and trees and we're currently stuck getting more water because we don't have enough water for our field just yet. What I did notice in between episodes was that we can upgrade our trees yield with just hey, so I think we're just gonna immediately do that here. I'll do it once more. Well, that's good. And I think we want to get trees up quite a bit. So this is bushes and trees, actually. So we're going to get quite a bit of wood in the future now. Sunflowers. Unlock sunflowers and power. Cost 500 carats. That's not too expensive. We might as well try that out soon. I'm going to be quite a while till we get pumpkins here, I think. We have so much wood in our inventory right now, actually. And we do have enough water for all of this for now, because we spent some time building up a water supply by farming hay instead. Actually, we do seem to be having enough water to go around. Might be that we can stop building up water now, actually. We're getting carrots instead now, and that's good. Seems to have reached some sort of equilibrium, so that's good. That's very good. And what we want to do now is upgrade trees, first of all. Can do that. And do we get the sunflowers immediately? We can increase the yield of the carrots too. And the cost of carrot seeds. But that's fine. Expansion, that's cost pumpkins. We can get the speed upgrade that we wanted. And get another one too. That's good. We have quite a fast drone right now. Which might mean we use more water. I'm not quite sure how that works out. Maybe we don't actually. Let's see. Yeah. We're doing all of this very good. Okay. So we definitely want to increase the yield of carrots. We're just increasing the yield of all of our crops right now, so that's very good. Getting twice as many carrots, I guess. We can work our way towards unlocking sunflowers now. Yeah, let's do 500 carrots for that. We have enough wood and hay for now. We do. Let's see. We do harvest carrot just for existing here. So let's just let him work his magic. We could increase the yield too. You know, trees that costs hay. Huh. Let's get sunflowers there. Sunflowers collect the power of the sun. You can harvest that power. Placing them works exactly the same way as placing carrots, except you have to buy sunflower seeds instead of carrot seeds. However, when you harvest a sunflower, the power of all the sunflowers on the farm flows together into a harvest band. Thus, harvesting a sunflower yields power equal to the square root of the number of sunflowers on the farm. Only one sunflower with the most petals can handle this. If you harvest a sunflower that doesn't have the most petals of all the sunflowers on the farm, the power will destroy all the sunflowers on the farm. Measure returns the number of petals on the sunflower under a drone. Sunflowers can have at least 7 and most 15 petals. They can be measured before they are fully grown. Several sunflowers can have the same number of petals, so there are also several with the largest number of petals in this case. It doesn't matter which one of them you harvest. As long as you have the power, the drone will use it to run twice as fast. Consumes 1 power every 30 actions like moves, harvests, plants. Executing other code statements can also use power, but a lot less than drone actions. In general, everything that is sped up by speed upgrades is also sped up by power, and things sped up by power also use power proportional to the time it takes to execute it, ignoring speed upgrades. Okay, so how many sunflowers do we want here? Maybe we just want one? We can see where that gets us, I guess. Well, first of all, we definitely want to just have a sunflowers function for that. Let's do sunflower. And what do we do here? I guess we can do... Maybe we start that in main there. Let's do backup main right now. Work that. We want to do if gets pos x plus gets pos y is equal to 0, then we can do harvest sunflower, and that's the function. We want to change this to an else if, so that we'll only get sunflowers on the 0th position. Let's see, we do this and we do def harvest sunflower, take no parameters, and we do, let's see, basically the same as carrots, I guess. Do that. Just copy all this over here. I want to change this from instead of carrot seed, we want to do sunflower seed. Okay. That costs 1 carrot. We'll always have 1 carrot with this code, so that's fine. Let's increase the yield of something here while we're waiting. Increase the yield of grass, I guess. It's good. Want to do trade for sunflower seed. And we might as well just copy sunflower here. Copy and paste that. We want to do plant entities.sunflower. Right? Can grow on soil. Yeah, harder doesn't have my. All the sunflowers will die. Yeah, this should be fine. We just append that there. We can use measure. Let's keep this tutorial window for now. Let's try running main now. So that will start harvesting carrots for us. That's good. And on this position, it should be a sunflower. It just skips it. Oh no, there it is. We do get 1 sunflower. And I guess I didn't add in a function to take out the sunflower. We should do that. How do we harvest the sunflower? I guess the first thing we do here is harvest sunflower, actually. We do have some power there, that's good. And what do we want here then? Harvest sunflower. Let's just append to the start of this. And if can harvest, I guess the same thing as we have here. Can harvest. If can harvest, we harvest. So if the sunflower is fully grown, we harvest. That's enough for now. Let's just see where that gets us. Okay. So he's almost done with 1 run through this. There he goes. The sunflower is ready to be harvested. And it's gonna be harvested soon. There we go. That's not nearly enough power for the entire field though. Did plant a new sunflower, that was a large one. How many sunflowers do we need? Probably gonna need like 4 of them, maybe. Maybe we do the entire row here is just sunflowers. Like, how far does it get actually? Gets around here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Probably needs like 3 of them. So let's see. We can get that by saying that the entire field is 16 squares. And one of them takes us about 6 spaces. That means we're gonna need 3 of them. We're always gonna be able to stick to this side. Oh no, that's not true. Let's see. We wanna do... Uh, I am so close to the idea here, I think. Uh, he's gonna have to pass through all of them twice. We're gonna need like half a field of sunflowers to make this optimal. What do we actually need here? I'm struggling to figure it out. We need 4 sunflowers for this field, I think. Or 3, I guess. It's probably enough, just barely. Maybe we do want to store up some power. I guess... I guess what we can just do is check if he has 0 power, and if he does, then he does the harvest sunflower. Can we do that? Yeah, let's run the backup main for now. Let's increase something here. Might as well do trees. Do that twice. We do if num items dot power, that works, is equal to 0. We start the harvest sunflower script, and in the harvest sunflower script we do want to get something to check for petals, but there's no way to just uh, know, I guess. Oh, what's interesting is that we can actually measure. We can measure as we plant it. So with just the planting, we plant all of them in a row. Yeah, instead of do items per power, we can do the total number of tiles, I guess. Let's see, we want to do the total number of tiles. Get world size. Current cellular farm. Get world size times get world size should side length. Yeah, because I think it will always be a square. So we can do get world size. No, not that. Get world size there. And we could just multiply by get world size. There we go. And then we want to do, let's see, this will be the amount of sunflowers we want. So, modulo 6, is that right? No, we just want to do divided by 6. We cannot round down yet, can we? Actually, we need to tilt this for that. Min, max, absolute, random. Can we? We'll just get floor of this. Does that work? Oh, we need to just say this is equal to something, so let's do uh, 3. It's not floor actually, that's the minimum. So that will be, see, 16 divided by 3 should be 3. I guess. Or like 16 divided by 6 should be 3. Which will be floored to 2. We want to do max. Which should be roof. I guess. It doesn't allow us to do that, so I don't think that works. Probably max. Yeah, we probably want utilities here, I think. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. Uh, uh, I guess we can do modulo. That will give us a number. So 16 divided by 6. That will give us a modulo of 4. So we can just add what we need to get 6 to the total. Let's do something here maybe to do that. Oh, we have a lot of grass. Let's increase the grass yield while we're here. Okay. We can do oh uh, sunflower. What do we want to call this number? We want to do world size total is equal to get world size multiplied by get world size. That's the total world size. And then we want to do world size rounded up is equal to world size total modulo 6. Let's round it up 6 actually. Modulo 6, which will return as a number, and we want to do 6 minus that number plus world size total. And this will give us the total world size rounded up to 6. It should do that. Because 16 divided by 6, that goes up to 12. And then we have 4 left. We'll take 6 minus 4, which is 2. We'll add it to the world size total, which gives us a total world size of 18. So that's rounded up to 6. Right? If we want to get some other numbers, we could just change all of the 6s here to, say, 5, for example. And we'll get the same thing for 5. It will always round up. So that's good. And we know this works because we've used all of these things separately. So that's fine. So we get rounded up to 6. Since I think one sunflower covers 6 squares, we'll have to see if that number is accurate when we try. We can just easily change the number now, so that's fine. World size 6. And then we want to get sunflower number, which is, let's see, which is just sunflower needed is equal to world size rounded up 6 divided by 6. So that's the sunflowers we need, which in this case will be 3. But this scales as the farm grows. And then we can do here, if see, we want to do 4 actually. Get world size. And we want to just do if see, do the one we had earlier plus x plus get plus y is equal to exactly 0. We can start harvesting sunflowers. And we're gonna have to do that for a little bit. How do we make sure we harvest the right amount of sunflowers here? We can See, let's increase grass yield. We can harvest sunflower if we have 0 in total. That will harvest 1 of them. And we do want to keep going on the get pos x. Once that is 0, 1, and 2, we get 3 of them. But also, if in the future we have like 10 squares, we're going to start working our way on y2. So I guess we can just say world size. Yeah, that's the idea here. If get pos x plus get pos y, let's give a parenthesis on this so we know it's mathing out correctly for us, times get world size. So this will be up to like 3 in this 0, 1, 2, 3, and here it will be added times the world size. So that will be 4, will be a value of, if it's at 0, 1, here, it will have a value of 4, because we do 4 divided times this. And what that allows us to do is just check for a straight line here until we reach the sunflower number. So that's cool. I don't know if it makes sense to you. It makes sense in my head. Instead of equal to 0, we want to do less than or equal to. We want to do strictly less than sunflower num, actually. Sunflower needed. Then we can harvest the sunflower. We do need a little bit more here, though. We want to do as we pass over. We would like a list. Do we have lists? I don't think we do. Probably don't. Lists is there, okay. I think that will make things easier for us. What we do now is we plant the sunflower and then we do measure. And then returns. Let's see, returns number of petals on sunflower. I want to do if measure is greater than or equal to max sunflower. We wanna add that to the sunflower here. I guess it would be easier for us to just have this in main, actually, honestly. Kind of a mess, but see, after harvesting sunflower, I want to do max sunflower. That will always be equal to 0 there. And when we start, see, when we start this true thingamajig, it should be equal to 0, right? True, we'll restart on the pass-through, which is perfect, actually, I guess. The first one is unnecessary then. We don't really want that. I guess we can do just if position is equal to 0, we restart. We can do that here, honestly. Probably do that here. So we add a restart function for the max sunflower here, I think. No, we don't. We do set max sunflower is equal to measure. This will add the number of the sunflower petals to the max sunflower, so we only care about this if it's greater than, actually. This will always give us the first sunflower with the greatest value, so that's good. We measure that, we get the petals set to max sunflower. Then we do the max sunflower X is equal to get pos X. And we do the same thing for get pos Y. See, maximum flow Y is equal to get pos Y. Yeah, we can increase the grass yield a little here. Max, that's cool. They do max out. That's interesting. That means we can max out the entire tree, I guess. I would think so. Let's see. Can we upgrade trees now too? Yeah, we can do that quite a bit. Get plus Y. So we do want to add like max sunflower X is equal to 0. Max sunflower Y is equal to 0. And we do want to reset these on a successful harvest. Can we just go into sunflower maybe? Or we can do, see, if can harvest and get pos X is equal to main dot sunflower max sunflower X. Do another there and see, get pos Y is equal to max sunflower Y. So this is checking to see if the sunflower X and Y is that we're in that spot. Then we harvest. And then after harvesting, we just want to reset all of these again. All of these. Okay, there we go. Just do a little bit of this. And we probably want to add a main. Is it capitalized or is not? It's not. Let's see. I don't know how to access these numbers. I hope this works. It does yellow them out, which I think is a good sign. And let's try. Can't assign a value to this expression. Oh, that's a shame. Do we need a setter, maybe? Maybe we do. Maybe we do. I guess that means we can move all of these into the sunflower function too. We just have a def get sunflower X boom boom return main or just max sunflower X. We do want these to be lowercase actually, I just noticed. There we go. This to be lowercase. Yeah, I'm just gonna clean up this code for now. In 2 seconds. Okay, so it took a bit of working around, but I think I got it in the end. So I figured out I just had to delete the sunflowers because we have to assign variables in one tab and change them in another, and as far as I knew, I didn't see a way to do that yet. So we have some of the code here, a lot of it is the same. I realized I did the wrong thing with the get plus X and get plus Y. The X had to be multiplied, so we get them in a row, the way we're going. Small change there. And we harvest the entity on the ground if it is not a sunflower, and we want a sunflower there. And it can be harvested. And if it is a sunflower there, that can be harvested, we check if it is the highest sunflower X and Y. That is the X and Y position of the highest sunflower. We'll get to how we set that later. And then we harvest, we set all the values to 0 again, since we don't know what is the max sunflower. Uh, and uh, and then we go and we do the things to plant the sunflower, same as the carrot. And we go here and we do plant a sunflower. And after planting the sunflower, measure the sunflower, and if the measurement is greater than the current max sunflower, we change all of the measurement here. The new sunflower is the value to beat for the next measurements. Like if it has 12 petals, the next sunflower we measure has to have 12, more than 12, in order to be added to the list here. And we set the X and Y position, so we have them. We know the X and Y position of the greatest sunflower we measured. And it kind of works. There is one issue, and that is that he has to do a double take sometimes to harvest the sunflower. And as far as I know, we can't really do much with that until we unlock lists, which we will unlock somewhere down the road, but not quite yet. So yeah, it seems to be working good for now. I do realize that we need more sunflowers than this, so 6 isn't quite right. We could try 5 maybe. See if that helps. So just try setting all of these values here to 5. There we go. And we can now just see. Yeah, I need to change this to 5 too. Say 1 sunflower is covering around 5, so that adds 1 more sunflower to our field, which is good. Harvest that there. Do we get all the way around now? Not quite. We're close, but not quite there. So we probably want to change this to like 4. And I think that should be a good amount. Let's see, we do that. We try going around a little bit more. Yeah, now we get another sunflower. What's that one? And we get basically all around the world here. Just barely not. Just barely not. Let's try setting it to 3 then. And that should be good, I guess. Say 1 sunflower covers 3 tiles. That does mean that we do get quite a lot of sunflowers here. Which is fine by me if it makes the whole thing run faster anyways. Let's see. Yeah, I think that works. He's stuck in a sunflower field and he slows down, so we should get power. Should be building a power. Yeah, it seems like we're just barely around the right mark here. So that's good. It's a bit of a mess having all of the sunflower things in here, unfortunately, but we don't really get around that. So we'll just have to deal with it. But yeah. Again, he has to cycle through the entire farm one additional time sometimes. Which I don't think we can do anything about at the moment, but we're gonna get there eventually. Also have a lot of hay, so let's see, sunflower increase the power gain, that would be good. We need treasures. So I guess we might as well get multi-trade here. Not really going to use it, but we have it now, since it was so cheap for us. Debug, I might as well get that too. Not really going to be doing that too much, I don't think. Benchmark, we cannot get that, or debug 2. Speed, we can definitely get more speed. That's good. Let's see how far we can get that. That's quite high. Expansion needs pumpkins. We can increase carrot yield when we feel like it eventually. We can get tree yield quite high. Sunflowers cannot do that, cannot do cactus. So we're gonna be wanting to go down here and unlock the pumpkins. That's the next step, actually. We're gonna have to play around with that in the next episode, I think. Yeah, for now, this is our farm. We're going much faster now. Oh, that's cool. And actually, that does mean that we're building a power. We need less sunflowers when we have a higher speed. Ah, that makes sense. I wonder how we, like, measure how many sunflowers we need. without trial and error because I have no idea how to do that at the moment. Let's just try going back up to 5 here for now. Wait, it's not that bad to just check how many sunflowers we need every now and then. Let's see. Do we lose or gain power now? Is the question. Oh, we seem to be losing power very slightly. Yeah, we probably want this number to be 4, then we know 3 is too low. And that just allows us to gain power instead of lose power, which ensures that we're at top speed all the time. Let's see. It seems to be somewhat stable. We might still be losing power. Yeah, we're definitely losing power actually. But that's fine. That's fine, I think. Yeah, we want to be gaining power. Let's have the sunflower cover 3. Then we know we're gaining power rather than losing it. Oh, that's just another resource for us to build up. Like, we could grind for sunflower power, too. Definitely something we can do. Okay. Yeah, this seems fine for now. Think think this is enough power, just barely. Let's see, can I build up some? Not really. Let's just keep it at this number then. That's fine. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll see the next one. Have a nice day, and goodbye!